So on this video today, guys, I'm going to show you how you can do your keyword research for 100% free. If you have a website, you want to rank your service, you want to rank your blog, you want to rank your product or anything at all online, you need to watch this video, because at the end of this video, you are going to learn or know how you can rank your website on Google search engine. Let us say you come to Google and search for how to lose weight. This is a keyword that people are searching for, which is how to lose weight fast. You can see this website, which is called Healthline. I've written a blog about how to lose weight, and you can see ad running. And at the bottom here, you can see this medical news today. They have a blog on their website which they are running ad on, and they are promoting health and fitness product there. And you can see this website that I've written 50 easy way to lose weight, and they are running ads too. And that is what all these companies are doing. So they do their keyword research. Once they have this particular keyword, they will be on top of Google search engine if they automate and put or organize their content right. So what you need to do now is to search for Google Ads on your Google tab or anywhere on Google window, and it's going to open up. Just create your Google Ad account for 100% free. You're not paying any money to have your Google Ad account created. And the next thing you have to do is to open your Google Ad account. So I'm going to open my own and show you how you can do your keyword research. So I'm going to click here, and it's going to open my Google Ad account. So what you need to do is to click on this area where it says tools, which is the Google Keyword Planner tools. Click on that, and once you click on it, it's going to open up. You can see Keyword Planner. Make sure you are on this tab, and you need to click on the part where it said discover new keyword. Once it opens, what you need to do is to remove your current country if you want, and remove your current language. So those are the default one that follows it if you are in a particular country. So if you are living in France, it's showing in France. If you are living in US, it will be showing in US. And if you want to search a particular keyword worldwidely, you can just remove the country that is showing currently right now. So let us remove it. I will just click on that and click on save. And if you want to change the language to your current language, you need to click on that too and select your language here. And now it's showing all location. The language is in English, and here you can enter your keyword that you want to search for. Let us say I click on it and I enter how to lose weight, and I click on enter. So once I search for how to lose weight like this, like what we have already entered here on Google search engine, I enter how to lose weight, and you just need to scroll down and click on get result. So once I click on that, what it's going to do for us now is going to give us a lot of searches that people are getting, or what people are searching for on Google about this particular keyword. You can see that how to lose weight is getting 100k to 1 million searches every single month. The competition is high. Competition is very, very high. So if your website is new, it's going to be difficult for you to rank for this particular keyword. And the bind of this particular keyword is $3.24, €3 and 24 cents, which for me is a lot, and you can make good money from that if you have Google AdSense on your website. This is what they are getting. The monthly searches every single month is 100k to 1 million searches every single month. And if you scroll down here, you can see how to balance. You can see how to lose weight fast. Or let us see. You can see the second one, how to lose weight balance, is showing 100k to 1 million searches every single month, and the competition is low. This is the type of keyword that you need to be focusing on. When you are doing your keyword research, you need to focus on keyword that is showing low. Why? Because you need to rank for low competition keyword, because your website is new. If your website is old and you have a high domain authority, then you can rank for any type of keyword that you want to rank for. As long as you organize your blog, organize your content, you have an image, you have your heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and heading 4, and everything is organized right, you will be on the first page of Google search engine. That is one thing that I want to let you know. So doing your keyword research is the key to make money with affiliate marketing, promoting your product or service on Google search engine for 100% free. One thing that I want you to be focusing on is the monthly searches and the competition. The monthly searches might be high, but the competition might be low. So, which for me is something that might be good or might be bad. But one thing that I want you to be focusing on is the monthly searches. The monthly searches is the key. Just focus on the monthly searches and the competition. So if you have like monthly searches that is like 100k, that you have 100k to 1 million searches every single month, and the competition is low, that is something that you need to target and go and quickly write blog about it. So that is one thing that I want you to focus on. So now you know how you can do your keyword research for 100% free without you paying any money. There's a lot of tools or service that we ask you to get this like this course for free or get this strategy for free, but I'm showing you how you can do it now. You don't need to pay any money. It's 100% free. This is just a simple way that you can use to do your keyword research for those of you who is looking for how you can do your keyword research on Google or on Google Keyword Planner. So this is it. You already know how to do it now. So just let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. If you have any question, if you want me to make more video about how you can do your keyword research with Google ads, and I will try to make more video and in-depth about different strategies and what you can implement that can make you to rank on Google more faster. So that is everything I want to talk about on this video, guys. I will say thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this my video. If you want to learn how you can make money with affiliate program, you can leave me a comment in the comment section, guys. I will see you on my next upcoming video, guys. Peace and see you soon.